Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Last time we learned how to describe someone's physical appearance, their height, hair, eyes, and style. But today, we're going deeper.
Deeper? You mean describing what someone is like inside?
Exactly. Today's lesson is all about personality and emotions. Because who you are on the inside matters even more than how you look on the outside. 1. Positive personality traits. Let's start with positive traits. The good things about people. We can say, she's kind and helpful. He's honest and hardworking. She's generous and always shares what she has. He's polite and respectful.
So, kind means someone who cares about others, right?
Exactly. And generous means someone who likes to give time, help, or money. Hardworking describes someone who works with passion. And honest means someone who always tells the truth.
So I can say, my grandfather is very honest and hardworking.
Perfect. That's a natural sentence. 2. Negative personality traits. Now let's look at the opposite, negative traits. We can say, he's lazy, she's selfish, he's rude, she's impatient, he's arrogant.
Can I say, my cat is lazy?
Ha ha ha. Yes, that works too. But with people, we usually make it softer by saying, he can be a bit lazy sometimes. That sounds more polite.
Got it. It's all about how we say it.
Exactly. It's not only what you say, but how you say it. 3. Social behavior. Some people are naturally social, others not so much. For example, she's very friendly. She talks to everyone. He's shy. He doesn't like speaking in public. She's outgoing. She loves meeting new people. He's quiet. He prefers listening to talking. She's talkative. She loves to chat.
So, outgoing is the opposite of shy?
Exactly. And talkative can be good or bad. It depends on the situation.
Like me when I drink too much coffee?
Ha ha. Yes, then you become very talkative, Maya. 4. Intelligence and attitude. Now let's describe someone's mind and attitude. We can say, he's smart or clever. She's creative and full of ideas. He's curious. He loves learning new things. She's serious and responsible. He's funny. He makes everyone laugh.
Can I say she's smart at math?
Almost. We usually say she's good at math. But you can say she's very smart or she's intelligent.
And funny is positive, right?
Yes, but don't confuse funny and fun. Funny means someone who makes you laugh. Fun means someone you enjoy spending time with.
So, Steve is fun, but Maya is funny.
Exactly. I love that one. 5. Emotional and moral traits. Let's talk about emotions and deeper character. We can say, she's optimistic. She sees the good side of life. He's pessimistic. He expects the worst. She's sensitive. She feels things deeply. He's confident. He believes in himself. She's humble. She doesn't show off. He's loyal. He stays faithful to friends. She's brave. She faces her fears.
That's a lot to remember.
Here's a trick. Learn them in pairs of opposites. Confident, shy. Optimistic, pessimistic. Brave, afraid. Selfish, generous.
Okay, so I can say, my best friend is confident and loyal, but sometimes a little impatient.
That's perfect English. 6. Common idioms about personality. Native speakers often use idioms when describing people. Here are some fun ones. He has a heart of gold. He's very kind. She's as busy as a bee. She works very hard. He's a couch potato. He's lazy and watches too much TV. She wears her heart on her sleeve. She shows her emotions easily. He's the life of the party. Everyone loves his energy.
Oh, I love those. So, a couch potato means someone who spends all day watching TV.
Exactly. Maybe someone who loves Netflix a bit too much. 7. How to describe personality naturally. When you describe someone, mix different types of adjectives: personality, emotion, and attitude. For example, my teacher is strict but fair. She's intelligent and very patient with her students. Or, my friend Sam is easygoing and always smiling. He's never stressed and everyone likes him.
Easygoing means relaxed, right?
Exactly. Someone who stays calm and doesn't get angry easily. 8. Practice time. All right. Time for a quick challenge, Maya. Describe your favorite celebrity. Only their personality.
Okay. I think Keanu Reeves is humble, quiet, and generous. He's famous, but he stays simple and kind. That's what I admire.
Excellent. That's a perfect description. Now, dear listeners, it's your turn. Think of someone you admire and describe their personality out loud. Practice helps you remember faster.
So today, we learned how to describe someone's character, emotions, and behavior, from kind and confident to shy and serious.
Exactly. And remember, Appearance attracts people, but personality keeps them close.
That's beautiful, Steve.
Thank you, Maya. See you all next time on Learn English with Us.
Bye bye.